Healing is a process. There is a process that comes with healing, okay? And I personally break it down into 3 steps, AFT, okay? Now, this is not everyone's process, and it does not have to be your process. This is just my process. This is the process that I have used for myself. I am an active participant of my own healing. I've been able to manifest a completely different lifestyle for myself, a completely different reality through this healing. And now I am a deliberate creator of my reality, and I'm able to create without trauma. And I help others to do the same. This is the process that I break it down into 3 parts. AFT. Awareness of the wound. Awareness of what needs to be healed. Okay, that's the first step. You have to be aware. Then F. Feeling. Feel the wound. Feel it. Okay, you can't heal what you don't reveal. And in order to reveal it, you got to feel it. Okay, so feeling the wound. And then T, the last step, transmutation. Transmutation of the wound. Okay, you take your mess and you turn it into a message. This is what transmutation is. Now, what I have noticed just within the spiritual community and just in general is this bypassing of the steps, okay? You can't just stop at awareness. There's a lot of people who are aware of their trauma. They're aware of their wounds. Yeah, they know, okay, I was molested at 4. Yeah, mom and dad were abusive. Yeah, my dad wasn't there. Yeah, my mom was on drugs. Okay, just being aware of it isn't going to do anything. Okay, then there's people who are aware and they feel, okay, they may even feel their wounds, they may feel their trauma, but they stop there, and that's how they fall into the victimhood. Okay, these are the people that they always have an excuse for why they are the way they are and why they can't get better. Well, a reason why I'm not good in relationships is because I never saw healthy relationships. My dad wasn't there. My mama did this. Everybody hurt me. Everybody bullied me. Everybody da-da-da. And they just stop there. So they're aware and they're feeling, but they're not transmuting. They're not doing anything with it. They're just feeling and aware and just walking around as traumatic portals and continuing to manifest the same, looping the same shit, okay? You have to transmute. Transmutation is key. You gotta go through all those steps, okay? And you can't skip steps either. You're not gonna be able to transmute what you don't feel. And you're not gonna be able to feel what you aren't aware of. So it all works together cohesively in this beautiful healing process, all right? But you have to go through all the steps. It doesn't matter if you're aware of the wound if you're not feeling it. And it doesn't matter if you're feeling it if it's not being transmuted. This is the process. Now, if you need guidance and assistance, and a lot of people do it, it's okay. People don't know how to transmute stuff. That's alchemy. That's a deep level of alchemy, okay? Some people need assistance to be guided to tap into that level of themselves that's within us, because the healer is within all of us, okay? But you got to go through the steps. It's very important to go through the steps.